Hello guys, today's video is going to be pretty simple. How to use a VPN on Windows 11, whether you're trying to circumvent regional restrictions or you're trying to access a TV or a movie that's not available in your region on your Netflix or Prime Video or any other streaming platform. So let me show you one of the best free options out there, that is Proton VPN. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by any VPN company, it's just my personal opinion. So let me show you how. Alright guys, to get started using a VPN on Windows 11, you just open your browser. My favorite VPN provider for free is Proton VPN. So you just go to protonvpn.com. Link will be in the description down below. Once you are at protonvpn.com, click on create free account. Click on sign up for free. $0, euros. Here's the account creation screen. I'm just going to enter username the easy way. Email address. There you go. Email will only use for this one-time verification. Yep, I'm just going to go to my email and verify the code. I got the code on my phone, 712570. Entering that. Alright, and there you go. Now you can see there is an option to download. What I want to do now is just hit the download button, click on download Proton VPN, and we're downloading. You can see it on top right. We have a progress bar. If I minimize this, go to my downloads folder. There you go, Proton VPN has finished downloading. Just double click the exe file, then click on next. Next again, next, install. Press finish, and there you go. You have the login screen now. All you have to do is just enter the username that you entered before, so the easy way. Enter the password that you set earlier. Start connection on boot. Check it if you always want the VPN to be on. Log in, and there you go. We are logged in. All we have to do is just skip the tutorial or tour, maximize, and then 3 countries are free by default on Proton unless you pay for it. Here's my actual IP address, which I've blurred out, and then I can connect to Netherlands, Japan, or US for free. I'm going to connect to Netherlands. Look for the server that has an orange or a green logo. Avoid the red ones. I'm just going to select this one. This looks like 85% load. Connect. And now you can see my new IP address using Proton VPN. And I can verify that by minimizing this. Go to my Microsoft Edge. So now if we go to what'smyip.com, you can see our IP address is 46.166.182.70. This is totally anonymous. You can see the time zone is Europe, Amsterdam. That's not where I am. Country is Netherlands. And there you go. The VPN works. Now you can access local websites to that region. So if you try to access, say, netflix.com, you'll see the Netherlands version of Netflix. You can see it says netflix.com/nl-en. So it definitely detected that we are in Netherlands, and that's how you use VPN. You can get around local restrictions. You can get shows from overseas which are not available on your local Netflix, Amazon Prime, etc., etc. You can do that all for free. Although the free version is used by a lot of people, you can see the servers are always at 60, 70, 80% capacity. So if you find this app useful, you can consider actually paying them to get premium servers. They've got a lot of servers. You can scroll all the way through this list to find out which country you need to connect to access that location. Also, yeah, Proton does not have any data limits, so you can totally have it connected all the time and use it. Absolutely no issues. Anyway, that's it. And there you have it, guys. That's how you get VPN running at high speed. Almost everything you can do with your normal internet connections, including gaming. So smash the like button if this video helped you connect to a VPN. Consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell just down there. You can check out my other content right up here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.